Hello everyone, I'm Aswin from Nala Surgery College of Engineering and Technology. Let's start with file sharing. File sharing is the accessing or sharing of files by one or more users. File sharing is performed on computer network as the easy and quickest way to transmit files. There are two types of file sharing, multi-users and remote file system. On multi-user system, more information is needed to store for each file. The owner who should owns the file and who should can control its access. The group of others user IDs that may have special access to it to the file. Remote file system. The original method of FTP allowing individual files to transmit access system as needed. The client-server module, the system that physically owns the file acts as a server, and the system which model them to the server. Then, file protection. File must be kept safer for reliability and protect the forms it usually managed with backup copies. And simple protection is to be remove all access of the file. However, this marks the file unusability. So, so some sort of control accessing must be arrived. Types of accessing. The following low-level operations are often controlled: read, write, execute, append, delete, list. High-level operations such as copy can be generally performed through the combination of the above. Then file system implementation. It contains two types: on-disk structure, in-memory structure. In on-disk structure contains boot control block, volume control block, directory control block, file control block. In-memory in-memory structure, in-memory mount table, in-memory directory structure, system-wide open table, pre-process open file table. In on-memory structure, boot control block. The boot control block is an important component of an operating system that resides in the region of the hard disk or other storage devices and contains all important data and individual records for booting process. Volume control block. In data structure, contain detail about volume, like partitions in the my computer system. The information must maintained in the volume control block or number of blocks in the partition, size of the each block, number of the free blocks in the partition, free block points, on so on. Directory structure. The directory structure is the organization of the file in its folder. It should be stable and scalable. It should not fundamentally changes, only be added it. Computer can use the file manipulate for the way to help user keep tracking for something we can found. File control block. The file control block performs operation on the file such as reading a file, writing a file, and appending a data to the file. You can also uses the file control to copy, name, rename, and data files. You usually configure a setup file control for each file you can manipulate. In memory structure, in memory module table, in memory the data structure are used for system file management as well as performing implementation while coaching. This, this information is loaded on the mounted time and discarded on ejection. In-memory module table contains a list of all devices which can be mounted on the system. In-memory directory structure. In-memory directory contains files of whole system, all the all the devices implement informations, all device information, process runtime in data or system related information are stored in the directions. In memory structure, system-wide open file table. It is the global file table that contains collection of information and mapping of all the files that are opened by each of the process running. Per process open file table. This is a table executing to each process that stores the information of a file currently open by the request process. Thank you.